Welcome to aminacademy.com. In coordinate geometry, let us discuss about hyperbola. A hyperbola is the locus of a point which moves so that its distance from a fixed point, called the focus, bears a constant ratio which is greater than unity to its distance from a fixed line, called the directrix. This ratio is called eccentricity E and is always greater than unity. Now we'll discuss about a standard equation of the hyperbola, that is x square over a square minus y square over b square equal to 1. Look at this figure. Now let us fill the coordinate points. Here the point A and A dash are the vertices of the hyperbola. Then this point S is the focus and S dash also the focus. The coordinate points of S equal to AE, 0. Here S dash is minus AE, 0. Now here ZM, let it be directrix, and C is the center. Here Z dash also. Now this L and L dash is a lattice rectum. Now we'll write each things here. ZM is directrix, S equal focus, primary focus. Now draw ZM perpendicular to SZ from the focus. Now SA, the point SA equal E into AZ by definition, as well as SA dash equal E A dash Z. Let it be 1, it be 2. Now therefore A dash equal to A, major axis, and therefore we can say CA is half of 2A, that is CA equal CA dash equal A. Let it be 3. Now CS minus CA, CS minus CA which is equal E into CA minus CZ. And also CS plus CA dash equal E into CZ plus CA dash. By adding we get two CS, because CA and CA dash is equal, so it cancel, which equal E times CA plus CA dash which is equal E into 2A by 3. By 3 we get, and by subtracting we get CA dash, that is CA dash plus CA, because here CS and CS cancel here, which is equal E into 2CZ, or you can say 2A equal to E CZ, which is equal E times 2CZ. Therefore, from this you can get CZ equal A over E. Let it be 5. Now choose the point, the center is 0, 0 as an origin. Then hence the coordinate of the foci, therefore coordinates of the foci S equal minus AE 0 and S dash equal AE 0. Therefore the directrix is x equal minus A over E, x equal the equation is x equal to A over E, here x equals minus A over E. And also x equal A over E. Now by definition, you can write, we know the definition of hyperbola, that is SP equal E times PM, or you can say by squaring both sides, SP square equal E square PM square. Now therefore SP can write as x minus AE the whole square plus PM is plus y square equal E square. Instead of PM you can write Zn square, which is further equal E square. Instead of Zn we can write as Cn minus Cz, Cn minus Cz whole square. Further it is equal E square x minus A over E the square. By expanding we can get x square minus 2AE x plus A square E square plus y square equal E square x square minus 2AEX plus A square. Cancelling the common terms and simplifying, we get x square equal 1 minus E square plus y square equal A square 1 minus E square. Therefore, or you can write simplifying further, x square over A square minus y square over A square by E square minus 1 equal to 1. We'll get little space Now further, now let us put, we know that b square equal a square into b square minus 1. Therefore, finally you can get the standard form of the equation of the hyperbola is x square over a square minus y square over, instead of b square you can, instead of a square into a square minus 1 is b square equal 1. This is the standard equation of a hyperbola. Standard equation of hyperbola. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.